Today, we're not just launching our new laser. We're launching a new way of thinking about what a laser can do. A laser that makes you rethink a laser. Introducing the REDLINE series by Aeon Laser. At Aeon Laser, we created a laser that is as revolutionary in its capabilities as it is for your bottom line. Our highly responsive AC servo motors, precision-cut linear guide rails, and feather-light laser head combine to deliver outstanding cycle times so that your time can go back to being yours. The REDLINE is built like a high-performance supercar, down to its newly designed ultra-rigid frame. Each one is handcrafted to perfection with smoother edges and sleeker lines, yet still rigid enough to withstand maximum acceleration right out of the gate. With all the major components still safely nestled within, you get to keep your workspace just the way you like it. With all that extra floor space, you now have room for so many activities. But buying another laser doesn't have to be one of them. We've designed the REDLINE series with the flexibility you need to expand. The unique Modular laser docking station allows you to switch between tubes and other wavelengths effortlessly, keeping your creative juices flowing and free from limitations. And with so many new possibilities, it's important not to get sidelined with constant upkeep. You need a laser you can count on to meet those important deadlines. The latest rendition of our clean pack design not only shields the moving parts and electrical components from smoke and debris, it also safeguards your optics, putting an end to frequent pit stops and costly repairs. Ready for this? The REDLINE series features toolless maintenance, an industry first. So when the time comes to finally replace your optics, you can do so in record time without losing your momentum or reaching for a single tool. To top it off, smart monitoring is now built into every laser. That means all mirrors and lenses are now closely monitored by integrated thermal sensors, ensuring you get premium quality results and the perfect cut every time. Not only can you leave your toolbox behind, but you can hang up your saw too. The integrated camera and rear pass-through makes cutting oversized sheet stock an absolute breeze. And for those bulk orders that demand more arms than you were born with, the industry's first multi-roller rotary attachment can make light work of 20 and 30-ounce tumblers, so you can go back to doing more important things. The Aeon Laser REDLINE series is a true marvel of engineering, and we couldn't have done it without you. You redefined the possibilities, and we redefined the laser. From turning your craft into cash to breaking through the ceiling of your thriving business, it's as beautiful to look at as it is to use. And it's ready to take you above and beyond.